The biggest advantage has been that everybody's more aware of health and safety, and I say that right from the top of the principal companies that employ the likes of the contractors and subbies, right down to the lowest of the subbies, if you like, the subbies, where they're all now starting to say, oh, we do have responsibilities. Oh, what do I have to do? What do I have to do? And it's good to see that a lot of the principal companies are helping those smaller companies take those steps into the health and safety field, if you like. Biggest challenge is the education of people into health and safety, and if we can do that right from the coalface right through, and I mean it's got to go right through, otherwise if your CEO doesn't agree with health and safety, then your coalface worker's not going to agree. If your coalface worker's trying to change the CEO, it doesn't work either. So it's got to be us all the way. Otherwise it doesn't, and that's the biggest, I think, challenge in health and safety, getting us to work together. Very good all the way through, and they've got even more helpful, if you like, when you've had an incident that they think that you've missed out. Have you looked at this? Have you looked at that? And they do ask you those questions, and sometimes you haven't looked at it. It's very good to see WorkSafe taking part in that same interaction, where they're trying to help companies. If they see that the company has been doing their best, and suddenly somewhere they've slipped up, why? Why have you slipped up? What's wrong with the systems? Can we improve the systems? And that's the biggest question. Can we improve the systems? Can we make the workplace safer? We'll never make the man safe, because we do stupid things as humans, and we get forgetful, we get distracted. And I believe that that's the whole thing about health and safety, is you don't have a fault-finding health and safety system, you have a sharing and let's fix it health and safety system. And if we've got that going, then we're right. The first change that I've made is that I've now told the staff that they must, because we're on several different sites all over Auckland, that they must have a pre-start meeting every day, not once a week. Every day they have a pre-start meeting, and I've suggested to them that the boss of the team doesn't run that meeting. You take turns with the workers. Each worker takes a turn each day. And then I'll come along to one occasionally, and I'll be at different ones over the week, and I will sit and listen and participate, sorry, and then I will suddenly run my own meeting and take another one and take the responsibility away from them and just do a full meeting with them. So that's the first change that I've made, that I think is a practical change that puts the dangers of the industry that we're in front of them every morning, and that's a good way to go to work.